Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to invite guests on ClickUp so you can bring in clients, contractors, or collaborators without giving them full access to your workspace. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you're in, select the workspace where you want to add the guest. Every piece of work in ClickUp lives inside a workspace, so picking the right one from the start saves you a step later. Next, look to the lower left corner and click your workspace avatar. This opens a menu with your account and workspace settings. From there, select Manage Users or People. The label varies slightly depending on your ClickUp version. You'll see a list of everyone currently in the workspace, both full members and any existing guests. Take a moment to review who's already there. When you're ready, click the Invite People button. A dialog will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Type it in, then locate the Permission or Role drop-down menu. This is the key step. Open it and select Guest as the user's role. Guests have a more restricted access level than full members, which is exactly what you want when bringing in someone from outside your organization. After setting the role, choose what the guest can actually see. ClickUp lets you get specific. You can limit access to individual tasks, lists, or folders rather than the whole workspace. Review those permissions carefully because granting too much is a common mistake. Once everything looks right, click Send Invite. ClickUp will send an email invitation to your guest. Ask them to open it and accept the link. As soon as they do, head back to the People settings and confirm they now appear in the list. Then open one of the tasks or lists you shared with them and verify they can see the correct items. If anything looks off, you can adjust permissions right there without re-inviting. Finally, make a habit of reviewing your guest list regularly. When a project ends, remove that guest's access straight away. A clean, audited list protects your workspace and keeps sensitive information where it belongs. And that's it. You've successfully invited a guest on ClickUp and given them exactly the right level of access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.